to those who think they have seen it all, I say, buckle your seatbelt. The future is about to begin. Ladies and gentlemen, please say hello to the Galaxy S10 Plus.
Years ago, we unveiled the first Galaxy S device, and it kicked off an evolution of revolution that has redefined the mobile experience for an entire generation of users. And in the decades since, we've hit milestone after milestone. We've never stopped working to make our devices better, faster, and more powerful. We've never stopped pioneering and engineering new ways to make all our lives easier. For 10 years, our smartphones have kept you connected. They've helped you to be more productive, and they've kept you entertained. We're here to lay the groundwork for the next 10, and that begins with the Galaxy S10. A phone designed not just to stand out, but to stand apart. Now, the S10 screen covers the full front of the phone from the top to the bottom and from side to side. But don't worry, everything you'd expect to find is still there. The sensors and the front camera have been seamlessly integrated right into the display itself. To do this, we developed a groundbreaking engineering process and created proprietary laser cutter. We needed to be able to carve a tiny hole in the display with absolute precision. Even the slightest mistake would damage the surrounding pixels and make the display unusable. With this cutting-edge technology, we're able to defy the traditional barriers of the display. We packed an array of sensors and camera technology right into the screen itself. These essential features are floating in a sea of individually placed pixels. The result? A revolutionary new display that maximizes your viewing experience and minimizes distractions. Today, we're introducing the world's first Infinity O display on AMOLED. This is a thank you. Thank you. This display also supports HDR10+, and that means you can enjoy your favorite content from Amazon Prime Video, including the new original series, Hannah, in stunning state-of-the-art detail, just like it was intended to be seen. Embedded directly beneath the screen is the world's first ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. It's really a marvel of engineering. To use it, simply press your finger against the screen where it naturally rests. The scanner then emits ultrasonic waves that map the unique pattern of your fingerprint. That wave data is then sent back to the scanner and analyzed by the phone's main chipset to determine whether it's a match. All of this happens in the blink of an eye, and it even works in the most challenging conditions. It uses ultrasonic rather than optical scanning, so the S10's fingerprint scanner performs better in bright sunlight and wet conditions. The S10 comes in a variety of stunning new prismatic hues. Or you can choose one of two premium ceramic finishes, ceramic white and ceramic black. We can't wait for you to see them for yourselves. With the S10, we're introducing a camera that lets you capture memories like a pro with a single device. And that's all thanks to our brand new next-generation triple rear camera system. It's a pro-grade camera that you don't have to be a pro to use. For capturing everyday moments, you have the wide-angle camera. With a 77-degree field of view, you can take amazing crystal-clear photos day or night. And when you need to zoom in, the telephoto camera's optical zoom gets you twice as close. Now finally, let's say you come across a beautiful landscape. A professional photographer would change the lens so they could take a shot like this one. I'm thrilled to tell you that this photo was taken in Spain with the S10's brand new ultra-wide camera. It's magnificent, isn't it? At 123 degrees, its field of view matches that of the human eye. So with this camera, what you see is what you get. It lets you capture the full scene, just as you see it, all without having to take a step back. The ultra-wide camera doesn't just make your landscape photography more beautiful, it changes the photography landscape completely. And now, we've built on that foundation by adding a neural processing unit that makes the S10's camera even smarter. Because the S10 can process more data, it can recognize more scenes than before. So let's say you're taking a hike. Your phone can now identify everything you see along the way, the mountain, the flowers, even the sunrise. Your phone will use all of that information to help you take the best possible photo. Now you can finally take action footage right from your smartphone. The S10 shoots super steady videos on par with what you'd find in most action cameras. The S10 lets you capture memories like never before.
Now, let's talk about another one of S10's superpowers, its battery. The S10 Plus is equipped with an all-day battery. It lasts up to 25% longer than the previous model. That's because we added a new layer of intelligence that delivers even more efficient power management. By learning how you use your phone, the S10 identifies the apps that you use less often. Then it automatically optimizes their CPU settings to consume less power. And it only gets smarter over time. That's why we built the same technology we use in our wireless chargers right into the S10, transforming your device into a wireless charging pad. It's pretty incredible. You just place a watch, earbuds, or even a friend's smartphone onto the back of the S10 and watch the battery fill up. When it comes to charging your own device, our S10 lineup supports fast wireless charging 2.0, which can charge from 0 to 100 up to 36% faster than before. From its always-on connectivity to its ultrasonic fingerprint security, from its pro-grade camera and immersive display to its wireless charging superpowers. The Galaxy S10 is a next-generation device, and we've designed 3 different models so you can choose which version is right for you. The S10 offers a premium Galaxy experience with all the features you've come to know and love over the last decade. The S10 Plus supercharges that experience, giving you more screen, more cameras, and more battery. And the S10e has all the essentials in a more compact form factor. We can't wait for you to meet the S10, and soon you'll be able to. So mark your calendars because it's right around the corner. And you'll be happy to know the S10 comes in brand new, eco-friendly packaging. And for the first time, you can go to one of 3 new Samsung Experience stores to pick up your device. They open today in LA, New York, and my hometown, Houston, Texas.